LTC, we start with one of our charts. I want to give a quick update. First of all, if you refer to my last analysis for other charts, we mentioned most of the chart, they have a similar movement and similar explanation. That's why we didn't have the update for the LTC, but the only thing is most of the chart, as I mentioned, we are looking for one move up. The only way is to look for trade by having entry above the stop, which is somewhere around 177.8 or 0.9. Okay, now the thing is we mentioned if we're looking for one move up, then only thing is we want to see whether the price can break the previous top or not. That's why for those traders, they get the trade from here, move their stop loss to break even. Now we want to see whether the price can break the top of this correction, which is 188.8 or not. If there is a breakout of 188.8 as a sharp move, then we are going to keep the trade, and any flag from there, we will take it. But if the price cannot break, then we take out the trade, any sell from there, we will look for sell. This is what we explained in my last analysis, because still we can put this one as a three-way in relative to this 1, 2, 3 as a correction in relative to this move. That's why for those traders, they get the trade from here. If they want to keep the trade, move their stop loss to break even. And right now, the only things we're looking for, we want to see the breakout of the stop, which is somewhere around 188.8 or 189. As I mentioned, if the price can break as a sharp move, any correction of flag from there, we will take it for buy. But if the price cannot break, we take out the trade in a profit, this trade, then any opportunity for sell from there, we will take it. Then if the price drop, with the first level is 167.5, following by 152 if there is a breakout of 167.05. But right now, we don't have any trade set up either for buy or sell. The only thing is we want to see whether the price can break the top of this correction as a sharp move or not. Because if there is a breakout as a sharp move, at that time, we will looking for continuation. But we should be aware of that. If we want to keep this trade again, move our stop loss to break even, because still we can look at this one as an internal flat, as a 1, 2, 3, for bigger picture, for one more drop in relative to this. This is what we explained in my last analysis for the other chart. As I explained that most of the charts we have they have the similar movement. And rather than that, we have nothing else to discuss. But what we are more interested, we are looking for continuation. We want to see the breakout of the correction, and we want to see the continuation. And if this is what we're looking for, and if we get any flag or correction with the breakout of this, when the price give us a confirmation with the breakout of this correction, then from there, any flag or correction, we will take it. But right now, we want to see whether the price can break 189 or not. All right. Rather than that, we don't have anything, because still we don't have anything to discuss, because still we can consider this one as a correction relative to this. And we should be aware for price may give us one more drop. And if there is a drop, this is the zones and level we're looking for. Anyway, right now for those traders, they get the trade from 177.8 or 0.9, move their stop loss to break even, and we want to see the breakout of this correction. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.